The iPhone 14 Pro Max features a refined design with a stainless steel frame and a frosted matte glass back, which resists fingerprints and adds to its premium feel. The device is available in four colors: deep purple, gold, silver, and space black. It weighs approximately 8.47 ounces, which is 240 grams. While it is slightly heavier than some competitors, this weight contributes to its solid build quality. The iPhone 14 Pro Max boasts a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 2796 by 1290 pixels, resulting in a pixel density of 460 ppi. This display features support for an adaptive refresh rate that can dynamically adjust anywhere from 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz, which results in an experience providing exceptionally smooth scrolling and incredible touch responsiveness. This advanced high-resolution display can achieve peak brightness levels of up to a massive 2000 nits in direct sunlight, ensuring truly exceptional and clear visibility in a wide variety of challenging outdoor lighting conditions. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A16 Bionic chip, which offers exceptional performance with a powerful CPU and GPU architecture. The A16 Bionic delivers fast processing speeds for demanding applications and gaming experiences. The device comes with 6 gigabytes of RAM for seamless multitasking. The device is equipped with a 4,323 milliamp hour battery, which provides impressive longevity. In tests, it achieves around 19 hours of video playback. The iPhone 14 Pro Max features a versatile triple camera system with a 48 megapixel main sensor, which captures stunningly detailed images in various lighting conditions. The significantly upgraded low light performance greatly improves your night photography results and overall experience. The device includes a 12 megapixel telephoto lens with up to 3 times optical zoom, providing versatility for different shooting scenarios. Apple's advanced photonic engine significantly improves computational image processing across all of its cameras, while powerful features like cinematic mode now support up to ultra high definition 4K resolution for video recording, allowing everyday users to easily create stunningly detailed cinematic professional grade quality videos for any project. The iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with iOS 16, but it supports all the latest iOS versions and provides a smooth and intuitive user experience. Users can enjoy features like widgets and the new dynamic island for notifications and live activities. Apple provides consistent and frequent software updates that significantly improve overall functionality and security, ensuring your device remains fully current and highly optimized over a long period of time. In conclusion, the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max stands out as one of the best smartphones available today, combining exceptional hardware with an elegant design. With an outstanding camera system, impressive battery life, and top tier performance, the iPhone 14 Pro Max is an excellent choice for anyone seeking the best in mobile technology.